The iPhone 16 Pro Max, released in September 2024, initially experienced compatibility issues with Verizon's network. Users reported dropped calls, intermittent 5G connectivity, and slower data speeds. This was especially noticeable in areas relying on Verizon's mmWave 5G bands, specifically N261 and N260. These issues weren't universal, but affected a significant portion of Verizon iPhone 16 Pro Max users. Verizon's 5G network relies on a combination of different frequency bands to provide coverage and speed across the United States. The C-band, specifically N77, offers broader coverage with mid-range speeds, making it ideal for suburban and rural areas. mmWave bands provide ultra-high speeds but are limited in range, working best in dense urban environments where towers are close together. The iPhone 16 Pro Max is designed to support both C-band and mmWave frequencies used by Verizon. However, early software bugs caused the phone to switch erratically between these bands, resulting in connectivity problems like dropped calls. Other factors contributing to compatibility issues include SIM card protocols that sometimes conflict with Verizon's network, the phone's titanium frame affecting signal strength, and the closed software ecosystem requiring specific updates. Both Apple and Verizon addressed these issues with software and firmware updates. Apple released iOS 18.1 in January 2025, which included specific optimizations for Verizon's network. Verizon also rolled out firmware updates to its infrastructure to address band-specific incompatibilities. These updates significantly improved connectivity and data speeds for many users. As of March 2026, the majority of Verizon iPhone 16 Pro Max users no longer experience significant connectivity issues. However, a small percentage, around 5 to 10%, still face persistent problems, often linked to hardware variations or regional network deployments. Apple recommends these users reset network settings or seek SIM card replacements at authorized service centers. A prominent example comes from tech influencer Marques Brownlee, also known as MKBHD. In late 2024, he tested the iPhone 16 Pro Max on Verizon and found it experienced significantly more dropped calls compared to when using AT&T. A Consumer Reports study from 2025 surveyed iPhone 16 Pro Max These owners real-world on examples Verizon. demonstrate the They found that tangible impact of 15% of Verizon users cited connectivity as a major iPhone 16 issue, Pro which Max was significant users, enough to affecting prompt both some to influencers switch to and other everyday carriers. consumers. Telecom expert Stacey Higginbotham warns that without global 5G harmonization, similar issues will persist. NNTech's Ian Cutress noted that Verizon's aggressive mmWave rollout outpaced device optimizations, but Apple's updates are closing the gap. These opinions suggest that the problem stemmed from a mismatch between network deployment and device optimization. Statistics provide concrete evidence of the progress made in resolving Verizon connectivity issues with the iPhone 16 Pro Max. OpenSignal's Q4 2025 report reveals that Verizon's 5G availability stands at 89% across the United States, indicating strong network coverage. However, iPhone 16 Pro Max users still experience 12% lower speeds than the average, down from 25% in 2024, showing improvement, but highlighting remaining challenges. Apple support data further illustrates this trend. In 2025, 18% of iPhone 16 Pro Max queries were related to Verizon issues, but by 2026, this dropped to just 7%, demonstrating significant improvements through software updates and network optimizations. These statistics demonstrate the effectiveness of collaborative efforts between Apple and Verizon. Yet they also underscore that while most users now enjoy reliable service, a small percentage still face connectivity challenges in specific areas or conditions. Looking ahead, experts predict that most carrier-specific connectivity issues will be largely resolved as 6G technology emerges. This next-generation network promises faster speeds and more reliable connections across all devices. Apple may enhance hardware in future iPhone models for better carrier agnosticism, meaning devices will work seamlessly with any network provider without needing specific optimizations. Verizon's ongoing 5G expansion, with billions invested in infrastructure, could significantly reduce dead zones and improve coverage nationwide. Overall, the future outlook suggests a move towards seamless cross carrier experiences, driven by advancements in technology and network infrastructure that will make connectivity issues a thing of the past.